Hi everyone, welcome to my beauty room. First, let's talk about this wallpaper. Isn't it beautiful? We got it from Amazon and it was easy to apply. The hardest part was just making sure that each of those strips designs lined up perfectly so that it looks seamless throughout the room. Next is this vanity. If you're looking for a cheap version of a vanity, make your own. We bought this mirror from a local store for $25 and then bought these side lights on Amazon. I'll make sure to put them in the description. But we basically made this mirror for less than $100. It's perfect. Just make sure that you get daylight bulbs and it's really great for makeup. Next is this desk, which is the mom dressing desk from IKEA. The top is glass, so if you have a lot of makeup, it's not going to ruin it. Easy clean it off. It also comes with this awesome drawer down here. I love working in this space. I love it so much. Next is going to be this office chair that I got from Amazon. It has this black leather with gold trim, which is just beautiful, and it's a great accent to the room. I store all of my makeup in these Alexa drawers from IKEA, and I found these great organizers on Amazon to keep all of my makeup organized, which is perfect, especially when you have a lot like me. This mirror was a lucky find from Facebook Marketplace, but I'm sure you can find one on the IKEA website. I think they have similar mirrors to this, but I just love it. Last but not least is this Hems drawer from IKEA. It has 8 different drawers, which is perfect for this small room that doesn't really have a closet, and I can organize all of my stuff into these drawers and keep this room super organized. So that's my beauty room. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.